Good afternoon, YouTube. Here's Nick from Meticulous Motors again, and here for sale today we have this beautiful 2018 Nissan Sentra SV model. This is the four-door sedan. This is more of the compact sedan, so if you're looking for fuel economy and nice, easy mechanical work, this is definitely the car. Not complicated, very easy. Comes with some nice newer features. It also has front collision assistance, as well as the 1.8 reliable 1.8 four-cylinder engine, very reliable motor, very nice for the Nissan Sentra. Nice clean and clear LED daytime running light headlights, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, keyless smart entry, and then we also get tinted windows, a clean all black interior, nice clean dashboard, brushed nickel bezels, standard AC controls, rear backup camera, AM/FM, XM stereo, also automatic CVT transmission, auxiliary USB connectivity. Up top we get our dual vanity mirrors, LED map lights, and power options include windows, locks, mirrors. Then they have the nice gloss black there that body color matches the exterior with the nice sparkle and metallic coloring. And then down below here we have dual USB connectors for charging devices. And then we get a center console fold down armrest with dual cup holders and the option of the split folding rear seats, so you can have more trunk space throughout the vehicle. Just one dent there in between the two doors. Everything else looks really good, and everything looks good back in the trunk area. Got that nice Sentra mat, and then the spare tire, tools, and jack all included. It is an SV model. We are missing the V, but it is an SV. Nice paint all the way around, really good condition. And these drive really nice. They have a sportiness to them, and they also come with multiple drive modes. They have Eco Sport mode, and then our interior illumination, side view mirror switch, trunk release, and then power windows locks here with the automatic window for driver front only. And then we get a leather wrapped steering wheel, multi-function for volume stereo controls, voice command Bluetooth, and cruise control. This is a push to start vehicle. So foot on the brake, push the button, and then you'll get the nice sweeping gauges there. The car animation on the dash, and then everything will pop up there. So you get the 112,000 original 3-owner miles, no reported accidents, auto check certified. So you have some driving aids, and then all kinds of sub-menus to scroll through, but revs up nicely, idles smoothly, and then the AC is ice cold right at that startup. And then we got our rear backup camera here. Stereo sounds really nice. We have a replaced windshield on this car. No cracks, no chips, ready to go. No warning lights on the dash, ice cold AC, and no reported accidents. So if you're looking for a nice, clean, fuel efficient four-door sedan, look no further than this beautiful 2018 Nissan Sentra SV. You can find this beautiful Sentra exclusively on our website at meticulousmotorsinc.com. Please rate and subscribe to our YouTube channel, like or comment on any of our videos, because your feedback is much appreciated. I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video today, and we will see you next time.